Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up an automation which will automatically scrape job boards for roles that you want to hire for, format it, and put it in a Google Sheet. And you can have this recurring every single day, every single week, or every single month. So you're constantly getting updated with the latest jobs. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So this is the very simple workflow. It's going to be, to start, you just use Appify.com to scrape job boards. For this example, we're going to use LinkedIn. And then we're going to use Zapier to actually reformat the data and push it into our Google Sheet and use Google Sheet to access the data. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to our Appify store and we're going to basically purchase the LinkedIn scraper, right? So the LinkedIn scraper that we want to run is going to be, if I just find it, LinkedIn job scraper marketing. So for example, we're going to be looking for a marketing manager, but you just want to use any job that you want to recruit for, or any job title you want to search for, and put it in this job title search, right? So it's going to give us back marketing managers in the United Kingdom. If you want to do software engineers, you can put software engineers, and you can put the US, you can put wherever. This is basically going to mimic the LinkedIn search, but it's going to use Appify to get the results for us. Okay. What you're going to want to do then is basically create a three-step Zapier integration, which will get the results once they're finished in Appify. Create loops, so create different line items, so it's not all clumped together, and then push it into the spreadsheet, which will be the Google Sheet for the different columns we've got. So you can see this has pushed one of the examples in. I'm just going to remove that now. What we're looking to get from this search is the job title that's open, where it's been posted, the URL of the company, so we can go on it and potentially find the key decision makers, the date that was posted, and the industry. The industry is really key because if you're a recruiter, you want to avoid staffing and recruiting companies. So I'll show you how we can do that. But I've got all this set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press start on this search, and it's going to find 1,000 job postings, if it can, for a marketing manager in the United Kingdom. And once it's completed, it's going to automatically populate them in this spreadsheet, right? The beauty of this is that you can have it set up so that it is running on a schedule, right? So you can have it running weekly, daily, monthly, however long you want, and then it can be automatically populating this. So you don't even have to go in manually and run it. You can have it running every Monday morning, and every Monday morning you can come into your spreadsheet and you'll get new leads come in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this, and when it's completed, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so as we can see, that has collected 749 job openings. Perfect, that's got all the results. Hopefully it's going to start populating the spreadsheet now, and literally as we're speaking, it's starting to populate it now. So obviously it looks like we need to reformat the date. The date column is the only thing we need to reformat here. But if I just sort of hide that column for now, what we can see is we've got all of these job postings, right? And it's just going to populate all of them for us. So we're going to have 700 populated in the spreadsheet. We can have it running every week, every month, and check here and check all the latest job postings that we're getting. So you can have Appify set up. So if I go back to the save tasks and go to this task that we just run, you can have it set up to just get the last 24 hours worth of jobs, the last week, the last month, and so on and so forth, and have it scheduled to be running for just those roles. So yeah, that's going to continue to go and populate by itself, hands off, and you can have Appify scheduled to run tomorrow. So this can just be running for you, right? Replace a VA, replace an admin. You just don't need anyone to do this. The software and the automation will take care of itself. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, drop us a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.